Today I took two trades on both NQ and ES. We're going to go over the two trades and my reasoning for being bullish today. So coming in today, I was bullish. So this is the first trade I took here. I took it at 9:45 after we had formed this order block here. Two down closed candles, came into a 12th hour here, and we pushed up. And I was looking for longs, and I took that long there. Obviously, didn't work out. And then the second trade I took was on MNQ. And it was after we had retraced deep into the 12-hour gap here. And I was looking for us to go long after we had formed another order block here. And we, closed above it there. And then I took a long up here and I put my stop loss down here. So if I was on the actual NQ contract here, it didn't go all the way down here and wake me out. This basically happened just on MNQ, but either way, bias was wrong today. And for my target, I was targeting 12-hour high because we're in a 12-hour gap. So I was looking for us to take the same liquidity. So my reasoning for being bullish today, the reason I was bullish today is because if we go on the daily, right, it's kind of where I derive my bias first, but we'll start from the weekly anyways. So if we go on the weekly here, we can see that we haven't taken any weekly liquidity here, and there's no reason for us to really retrace here. And then if we go on the daily, right, there's also no reason for us to retrace here. There's no for value gaps, and there's no highs that we have just taken, right? And this candle basically closed bullish, so I'd be looking for longs there, but there's not enough confirmation on this time frame. So then I went down to the 12th hour, and then now that we're in the 12th hour, we can see that yesterday AM session was bullish, and then we kind of stalled here overnight, and then we formed this 12-hour gap here. So I was looking for us first. We took this 12-hour high here, and then we retraced into this 12-hour gap, and I was looking to take longs here for looking for like continuations up above here. It didn't end up working out. It looks like we kind of kept stalling, not stalling, but we kept going lower into this gap here. And we did stop around the midpoint of that, and then it started pushing back up, but not as aggressively as it went down. So yeah, that was my reasoning for being bullish today. Could I have done anything better? I think I executed. I know I executed my plan well today. I was patient, even when we were going all the way down here. I was patient for my setup, and yeah, I ended up getting wicked out off the trade. But again, it's a numbers game, and this week wasn't the best trading wise. I would say. I think this is probably my biggest losing week in a long time. I think this week was negative two to negative 5.5 this week, which is crazy to say because I haven't had a losing week in a long time. So yeah, I think I'm just paying my bills this week, right? So yeah, we'll come back next week and attack the market the same way we always do. Uh, yeah, and that's everything. Good luck and good trading.